Rama built the bridge to Lanka and fought Ravana and defeated him. Sita was free. When Rama, Sita and Lakshmana returned to Ayodhya, the people welcomed them. The road of all and homes were decorated, trees were shade and joyful. Since then, we celebrate Diwali as a festival of light, symbolizing the success of good. On this day, we light events, past crackers, your new clothes, and set happiness. Deepavali reminds us to remove negativism or ought. We will live light and positivity. Now to make more lively friends, perform small play, showing all the people of Ayodhya welcome Lord Rama Sita after the return from Ram. Thank you, friends, for the wonderful role play. Now we will talk about firecrackers. Firecrackers are fun. We must be safe. My friends will tell us how to celebrate safely. It's